Flash lot.
Plain. That has been. This was decided by the Honorable Uttarakhand High Court, my lord. In that case, it's a long judgment, my lord. Para 51 is relevant, the operative part.
Para 51.
51, my lord. Just, I got only 3 pages, my lord, because it's a long judgment. This will suffice, my lord. Para 51.
This will suffice for you. It doesn't suffice
My lord,
for us.
My
There is no
lord,
way to present
even
the
it will
judgment.
be suffice for courts also, my lord.
No. That is your presumption. You can't submit judgments with your paragraphs that you want to read. If you want to rely on a judgment,
lord,
you submit the entire
My
judgment.
lord, just I'm relying on the issue only, my lord, here.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord, I understand, my lord. And that has been
do
stated.
not treat the court to be an extension of your chamber.
Sorry,
Do
my
not.
lord.
You are relying on something. You don't have the judgment. You give the citation. We'll take it out. We'll take it out. It's a long judgment. We can take it out.
My lord, I have given the judgment.
Yes.
My
What
lord,
do you want to say?
in that, my lord, the Honorable Uttarakhand High Court has said that the news that we allow all the read petitions and hold that 18-month D.EL.ED training diploma conducted through ODL mode in elementary education by the news is a valid diploma for applying against the regular post of assistant teachers in the state of Uttarakhand. It's a valid diploma for applying against the regular post, my lord. What Uttarakhand, Honorable Uttarakhand High Court has stated, division bench. Thereafter, it was SLP was preferred before the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. And in that, Honorable Supreme Court has stayed the state order, my lord.
So
Now, the connecting issue here, whether the 18 months D.EL.ED course, the person having the 18 months D.EL.ED course is eligible for fresh recruitment or not, that is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, my humble submission before your lordship is that.
how do we know that this is the issue from para 51?
My lord.
How do we know that the issue pending before the Supreme Court
Yes.
and this writ petition are one and the same? Yes, Mr. Chaudhary?
Lordship, I do not know whether he has the judgment of the Uttarakhand High Court.
He has given us para 51 of the judgment.
If I may take your lordship to paragraph 22
Oh,
of the Uttarakhand High Court.
we have only para 51.
Oh, that is the issue. I'll just read out. I'll just read
No,
out.
we are asking you, what is it that he says the matter is
Yes,
pending before
that
the
is,
apex?
that is true, Lordship. I'll just, for my lord, I'll just read out. Paragraph 22 of the Uttarakhand High Court judgment. In pursuance of the aforesaid communication from the Government of India, the NCTE issued a communication on 6/1/21 addressed to the Chief Secretaries of all states, union territories, government, stating that the NCTE has already decided to accept the verdict of the Honorable Patna High Court in the case of Sanjay Kumar Yadav and others versus the state of Bihar and others, writ petition so and so. Therefore, you are requested to consider all those candidates who have completed D.EL.ED courses of NIOS, ODL mode, and may be given opportunity to apply for fresh recruitment at par with the other D.EL.ED candidates, subject to adherence of all other criteria and qualification requirements, such as passing of TET, etc., as per the NCT notification dated 23/8/2010, as amended from time to time, and any other as mandated by the state. The learned counsel for the petitioners submit that the government of Uttarakhand has also accepted the decision conveyed by the NCTE in its letter dated 6/1/21 by communication bearing so and so. The said communication was addressed to the Director Primary Education Uttarakhand. Learned counsel submits that on 29/12/2020, the government of Uttarakhand issued an advertisement inviting applications from eligible candidates to fill up the vacancies of assistant teacher grade 3 pay scale so and so in the government primary schools of district Pauri under the provisions prescribed in the government primary education teacher service rules 2012 in continuation of letter number so and so dated 9th November 2020 of the Director Primary Education Uttarakhand Dehradun. The communication inter alia states that every kind of selection process would be done as per the provisions prescribed in the Uttarakhand Primary Education Teachers Rules 2012. Now the next paragraph. The practitioner submitted their applications in response to the said advertisement. However, on 10/2/2021, the respondent government of Uttarakhand issued the impugned order cancelling the earlier order dated 15/1/21 on the same ground, namely that the in-service elementary teachers had undergone only 18 months and not 24 months D.EL.ED program. He contests the 24 months. On the other hand, the state has taken teachers who had completed 18 months. Of 18 months and not 24 months, D.EL.ED program conducted by the NIOS through ODL mode. Therefore, they were not treated to be eligible. The submission of the learned senior counsel for the petitioner is that the government of Uttarakhand is bound by the decision taken by the central government to authorize NIOS to conduct the D.EL.ED 18 months program through ODL mode, and is also bound by the recognition granted to the said course by the NCTE. He submits that education is covered by so and so. Lordship, these are the submission. Ultimately, the Honorable Court, by paragraph 51, which he was perhaps referring to, the writ petitions were allowed. We allow the writ petitions and hold that 18 months D.EL.ED training diploma conducted through ODL mode in the elementary education by the NIOS is a valid diploma for applying against regular posts of assistant teachers in the state of Uttarakhand. The respondents shall therefore consider candidatures of petitioners for the said post on the basis of the applications made by them pursuant to the advertisement issued by the department. So, Lordship, Uttarakhand High Court had upheld that this 18 months would be at par. That is under challenge before the Honorable Supreme Court. Lordship.
So
And which has been stated, my lord, by the Honorable Supreme Court.
it is submitted by the learned counsels of the bar.
My lord, yes, my lord, one more submission, my lord. Here I am emphasizing only on one point, my lord. On the last occasion, also I have emphasized on that point itself, my lord, that the criteria, what they have mentioned in the advertisement, it is 2 years diploma in elementary
Is
education.
the issue in this writ petition and the one before the Supreme Court is one and the same?
My lord, my humble submission, it is the connecting issue, not all the issues, my lord.
One of the issues?
One of the issues, my lord, but
If
not,
if that issue,
not the main issue, my lord, here.
if that issue is answered,
No, my lord, one more submission, my lord. If your lordships have a look at page 53, my lord, in my writ petition, where they have in essential qualification and experience, they have stated that the essential qualification is senior secondary with at least 50% marks and 2-year diploma in elementary education. My humble submission is that in the advertisement, the criteria is mentioned as 2 years diploma in elementary education. In that regard, my lord,
that is what I was asking you. You are giving us para 51. What were the facts involved in that case?
my lord, the issue is same. No doubt the issue is same, my lord. But here the issue is something different. What is different? I'm placing your lordship.
No.
Because
If the issue is same, you wait until
my
the
lord,
matter is over.
the respondent cannot alter the educational qualification. That is my submission, my lord.
That is subject to finding by the apex court that the very process of allowing 18 months D.EL.ED
my lord.
is contrary to law. If that is held, then the question
The issue is something different here. Why
Why?
different? I'm
Why?
stating before your lordship.
you are limiting it only to the advertisement.
Only to the advertisement, my lord.
Exactly. But if the court upholds
Yes,
that there was no infirmity in allowing 18 months diploma D.EL.ED teachers to be included,
to be a regular appointee.
to be a
my lord.
regular appointee, then there is a question to decide whether that clause was required to be included, not
But the-
included. But assuming that was rejected, assuming it is it is interfered with, court holds that you cannot do it.
Yeah.
Then your second issue need not be answered.
My lord.
Then
My lord may have disposed of it.
should we answer the second issue and then leave the first issue to be answered by the apex
My
court?
lord may dispose of only citing on the only issue that the criteria of advertisement cannot be altered at the time of selection, my lord.
No, no, no. It is submitted to the bar that similar issue had arisen before Patna High Court, which was answered by the High Court in favor of the candidates having 18 months D.EL.ED. Patna had answered in favor.
Uttarakhand High Court, my lord.
No, initially Patna, I think.
Patna and Tripura High Court.
Patna. And then subsequently the matter came up before the Uttarakhand High Court. The Uttarakhand High Court, by judgment and order delivered on 14/9/2022, following the judgment of the Patna High Court, allowed the claims of the candidates who were pursuing the 18 months D.EL.ED. Stop. This matter, as submitted in the bar, is presently before the apex court. The apex court YD, the order dated so and so 13/12/2022 has stayed the judgment of the Uttarakhand High Court. In that view of the matter, since a part of the matter is in sessile, since the apex court is in sessile of the part of a matter, part of the issues, the matter stands deferred for 8 weeks to be listed after orders of the apex court.
Parties at liberty to
There's no
mention-
point deciding a part of the issue.
My lord, one more submission. Again, already I have submitted. My lord may dispose it of only on that issue itself, my lord. That criteria of advertisement cannot be altered at the time of selection, my lord.
That is your submission,
My lord.
or you're dictating the order for us?
No, my lord.
No, submission.
Yes,
So we reject your submission, we'll dismiss it right away.
my lord.
We can
My-
do that. We are giving you an opportunity because the issue is whether the government has a right to treat 18 months and 2 years at par. That is the issue.
That is the whole
That issue is pending before the apex court, as rightly pointed out by you. If that issue is answered
issue.
in favor of the government, then the second issue arises whether they can change it in the meantime, or is it necessary to be disclosed in the advertisement. If that issue itself is rejected, then nothing is to be decided.
Much obliged.
Mr. R. Mazumdar for elementary,
Secondary.
secondary.
Now it is called the
Mr.
Department of School Education.
Dev Chaudhary for
This from
Union.
before.
Union of India. All right. Yes.
Obliged. Highly obliged.